Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So, as you know, we went to the Dodgers game against Cincinnati Red, and then lucky we got a win at the walk-off homer from Jock Peterson.
It took forever to get up there. Well, mine don't fit. You can have mine if you don't go one. All right? No problem.
Here, no, let me move
All
on.
right.
Oh, the Flames up there.
Yeah, oh, look at the blue too.
Park
Yeah, the moon.
and
All in one.
my friend Sandra and her daughter are. The moment she's not actually working. They wouldn't accommodate her schedule.
Well, during the first inning, Yashiao Puig was got a homer. So that first inning got the 2-run from the Cincinnati Red. But we came back strong on the bottom of the ninth inning. Anyway, today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how you guys could go to a Dodgers free game by selling your stadium giveaway stuff. Well, we purchased the lowest tickets, which is what's on the reserve level. And the ticket's about 30-something bucks. And parking we pay for at $17 online. If you go to the park, it is $25. So this jersey, this is the replica jersey. They were celebrating on April 15, 2019. This year is the 100th birthday for Jackie Robinson, which is also the Jackie Robinson Day on April 15 of every year. So that actually got 5 of this jersey replica from Dodgers Stadium. Unfortunately, by the time we went there, they only have a size medium and then a size extra large. And these are adult size, not youth. Although this is a pretty nice quality jersey. Before it was just like cotton, but this one I think it's like a polyester. And you got the Dodgers label right there, say adult extra large. And then on the lower left hand side, got the athletic label, Jackie Robinson right there. And it says licensed by the estate of Jackie Robinson and Rachel Robinson. And yes, you can visit their website at www.jackierobinson.com. And this one is the zip up jersey. The one that we got before was like a button up jersey. On the right hand side of the sleeve, it has a Bank of America printed on the right hand side. So anyway, by the time we sell this, we're gonna get our ticket paid for it, plus parking, and also some of the food that we purchased in the ballpark.
What does it look like? Dodger.
Okay, Ruth.
Oh,
Don't wear yours. Just wear mine, because I'm going to wear mine later. Keep yours closed. Here, put it on for a quick picture.
But the one with the Cody Bellingers, the bobblehead run about like $60 or $67 with the shipping and everything. So that one we're gonna make money out of it. But we always keep one of the bobblehead, and then my wife's keeping one of the jersey. So it's just giving me ideas of how you can go to Dodgers game and then pay for yourself. You end up paying for the parking fees, the tickets. All right. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in a comment on below. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.